Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the other episode of the Plutonia Experiment. And now we shall jump to another den. Oh yes, the den of Wolfenstein. Look at all those SS officers in the cage. Ooh. I like this map actually, I really do. I like the atmosphere, it's pretty chill. It's basically a cyberdemon face-off. But the only part I don't like about this map is the Archies. But fighting those cyberdemons one by one is actually pretty fun. So, why not? But having those hidden archviles within the walls kinda sucks. And getting hit. Yeah. Of course. Oh, fuck off. Really? Oh my god. Yeah, that's why. So, we're gonna do this again in a much better manner, with more knowledge, because knowledge is good. We love knowledge. We should have enough ammo for this level, I believe. Yeah. Oh my god, where? Really? What? Oh my god, I'm a noob. How should I do this map? How? Yes, that chainsaw is very useful in this map, because when you run out of ammo while fighting the cyberdemons, then you can just chop his balls off. That's what you can do. No, please, oh fuck off. Really? Okay, this way. Is there one? No. Okay, there was only one. Other one was, I think. Oh, hi. Well, it is what it is. We fight the Barons or the Hell Knights. Some Hell Barons, the beige, you say? Now there should be another Archie somewhere. Here? I swear there was another Archie though. Here? Oh fuck! Stop doing that. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I delivered. Okay, here you are. Okay, you're there. Okay, now I know where you are. Grab some health, Wow. Lots of wasted health though. Okay. Cells, right. What's up? Let's dance, bitch. Come on. Alright. This is how it's gonna be. There's really no point of rocketeering you. What? No? Right. Okay, I have to do this for the memes. Come on. For fun, let's do that. I'm gonna jump your balls off! Fuck you! Okay, another? No, okay, that was bad. Oh my god. Stop shooting. Okay. Was worth a try. Man, that would have been so cool if I managed to chop his balls off and then he suddenly would have died. Yeah, real pole chopper. Good shot, innit? Oh, fuck off. No! No, 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 no. Wait, I didn't pick up any more rockets. Oh my god. Oh, fuck off. Okay. Alright, we do this again. Ignore the chainsaw. Wait. What the fuck? Why didn't I pick up some goodies? Yes, some stuff. Boom, 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 boom. Some players, man. Give me some players, man. So. Let's got that. Die! Thank you. Can you kind of... Alright, never mind. Let's just... Oh, well, oh, I forgot about you! Oh my god. Please? Here you go. Oh my god. Why the fuck did you have to come over here? Do you want to get your boss chopped off? Oh, I cannot do that anymore because I don't have the weapons for that. Oh man. Oh man. Shit. I guess that's it. Yep. Let's have another one. Try to... Please. Oh no. Alright. Do I still want to fool around? Maybe? Oh my god, you're there. Can I just kind of... No. I cannot. Well... Can you just kind of go away? Alright. Some shells in here. Oh, come on, I gotta do that. Oh man. I kind of wanted to die anyway because I was doing so bad in the beginning. I think I have to kind of... Wait, I missed it again. I keep missing the room for some reason. It is so easy to miss for some reason. Alright, go. Go. Get out. What the fuck? Oh, fuck off. Go fuck yourself. Thank you. Now. Thank you. Oh man, now the cyberdemon wants to splash me. Give me some heat. No. Can't get past yet. I don't wanna be there. Okay. Good. 2 shots. No. Woo! Let's go. Still wasting a ton of health. Maybe I should start kind of rocketeering that guy. Maybe ammo is an issue in this map. Let's go. Let's go. I want to save them. Did it open? Oh, just more rockets. Okay. Sure, why not? I don't even know how effective is rocket against cyberdemon. 1, 2, 3. How about now? Hey, give me your dick. Fuck. Oh man. Oh, fuck off. Oh man, how did I do so good in first try? I mean, what the hell? And I missed rockets again. Why did I do that? Oh man. Really? What the fuck? Please? I really don't want to shotgun you. Please? Thank you. Oh, I lured you. Can I shoot the other guy, please? Nyeh. Nyeh. You ain't gonna get a piece of me. You won't. I'm gonna ignore you. Just gonna give a good old ignore. Nope! No, please get out of my way. Thank you. I have armor. I'm gonna keep the armor for later. Just this splash damage won't hurt me. Sure. Alright, serious gaming. Let's go. What the fuck are you? Put some good old plasma in you. Let's do some calculated shots. For some reason I think damage is very limited. Please? Now? Oh, okay, that gave me 20 rockets. Okay, sure. Stay still, please. Dude! Please? Shots? Oh my god. Chingun? Okay, one more. 2 more. Ah, I could have chingun that guy. Okay, till next death then. A lot of rockets. Okay, cool. Can't fool around forever, man. Can't do that forever. Okay, what the hell open now? Oh. Yeah, sure. I could take some specters. Why not? Okay, let me kill that bastard. You, sir. New. Thank you. I am very grateful for your death. Now let's... Oh man. Pure rockets in that? Jesus Christ. That sucks. Oh, I don't even have a backpack. That's even more sad. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. How many rockets do you need to take? How many damage does one rocket do to you? Whiny, oh. Okay, I started with 50, so... So, 30 is not enough. Yep. Oh, fuck. That was bad maneuvering. Oh, fuck off. Okay, that is still 40. I missed 2. Missed 3. Oh, okay. Basically, you need 50 rockets. Okay. Oh, I think I know what this is. Were there pinkies or barons? I don't know, man. Oh my god. Okay. Cool little trap we got there. Okay. Now, this door, I believe. No, it's not this door. Back to the beginning area, where we shall find more shots. It's not this door yet. Hi! Hi! Okay. Sure. Sure. This time, I got one BFT juice. Yeah, it's gonna be shells and BFT. It's gonna be all inclusive this time. Okay, let's do this proper. One. Okay, I think this was a good shot. Come on, let me jump over your dick. Oh, that was not worth it. Okay. Wow, you still had ages to go. Oh, fuck off. That BFG did shit. Oh, man. Don't do stupid shit like that anymore, please. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna grab some help. That was so lucky, holy shit. Can't fool around forever, man. Okay, just gonna use rockets. Need shells at some point. Yes. Oh! Holy shit! Okay, that floor did hurt. Like a lot. Did I get the other med kit? I think I did. Yeah, I did. Okay. That's a fun level to fool around though. Okay. Okay, I guess back to the beginning though. Please, no surprises. And armor. Thank you. Yeah, sure. Why not? Now to the cellar. Ooh, I wonder what lies ahead there. Fuck off. Okay, I guess. It's gonna be rocketeering again, I guess. Oh dear, oh dear. I'm gonna run out of ammo then. This is not good. Okay, good. I misclicked my buttons for a while. Come on. Now, okay, let's just concentrate for a while. Oh, come on. Come on. I love to dance with you. One more. Okay. Fuck! Oh, was that really worth it? Oh man. Oh man. Come on, you gotta give me a chainsaw or something. Come on, it has to be somewhat useful at least. Crap, okay. I'm gonna be a little bit more serious until then. Nice, you didn't even attack me. You're so polite. Good. Don't grab that yet. Grab that. Yes, good. Nope. Okay, good. Screw you. Okay. Okay. Okay, this was not such a great idea to come here. No. Come on. Come on. Thank God for the super shotty. That does damage. Good damage. Good damage. Damage. Alright. Fine. I do want the other box of shells though. That I left there. Perfect. 50. So get out my plasma. Fuck shit up. No, don't miss plasma shots, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, at least. If the chain gun doesn't work, then probably pistol will. Oh, fuck off. Okay. That would have been a waste of time anyway. How about now? Woohoo! Good shit. Ah! Press it. Alright. Now to the next area. You go down, and you go down. Alright, cool. Now, next cyber. Now, this bitch wants some full rocketeering. Okay. Come on. Shit. Okay. No. Oh, okay. Needs like about 47 rockets to hit 48 rockets? It's burn time? Oh, okay. Get over here. Oh, fuck off. Didn't mean to get hit here. Oh my god. You're bastards. What the hell? Alright. And press it. Thank you. Just in time. Now... I think it's the chain gunner time? Yes, it's the chain gunner time. 1 and 2. Yeah, sure. Let's take it. Now, this one is a little bit harder to calculate because I want to get a full PFG shot on you. Oh my god! I even failed with that. Jesus Christ. Okay. Aww. I missed it again. Cannot miss it. I need them. I need some shit. I need shit. Yes, please. Yes, please. Don't hit me. Oh, fuck off. Thank you. Health. Yeah, keep the shells. Oh, wait. Fuck, I keep forgetting that Archie there. Nope. Good. Not ideal place, but the last time that wasn't great area either. Huh? Come on. Come on. Oh, Barons. Oh, Barons. Come on. Okay. Grab health. Oh my god. Why? Let's take these. Okay. Let's see if I can get through. Allow me to pass. Allow me to fuck you up. Oh my god. No. That was... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh man. I just gotta get it. 1. Ah! Pew. 1 rocket. Oh man. Damn. Now? No. Now? Come on. Now? It's about time for you to die, please. I just can't get serious in this level. I just can't. I really want to get this, man. I really do. Come on, I just need this achievement. No? Oh my god, still got me. Okay, bye. Oh, okay. Alright, let's have one serious attempt. Let's just leave the chainsaw there. Alright, let's just not leave the items behind at least. Again. Come on. Alright, I need to get more comfortable. Wait. Okay. Your turn. Fuck off. Oh my fucking god. Fuck off. Fuck off. Ah. Okay. I'm gonna do a serious attempt now. No chainsaw. No leaving items behind. Use everything that I have. Wait, also this. And go. Don't hit me, and you did not hit me. Good boy. Jesus Christ. Come on. Now. Good. Good. Okay, I woke up the Barons. Nice. Thank you. Good. Ah, fuck off! Fuck off! Oh dear. I'm getting really reckless right now. Oh, just at some point I just don't care. I just want to have fun, really. Alright then. Okay. I'm gonna grab those shells. I'll do some super serious fucking. Noni, cyberdemon. Haista vittu! Oh. Please, no. No, why do you miss? Oh my god, I missed like half my fucking plasma shots to that guy. Haista vittu, perkele! Suka, блядь! What the fuck am I doing? Please. Okay, enough. Super serious gaming. Super serious. This level is actually quite long, by the way. Oh, no, we're right. Come on. Come on. Stop sucking dick anymore. Please. Just. Pistol. Do your job. Good. Now. At least I didn't have to waste ammo. Right? Yeah. Oh my god. Go fuck yourself. Shells. Thank you. No. Ah, full on rockets. Yeah. Stand still, please. All my fucking rockets in here. I'm a rocket man. I'm a rocket man, you know? And you're a rocket man too. They're very much alike, you know? You are my mirror. Except you're the kind of mirror that sucks. Fuck you. Ah, it's that part. Okay. Oh, yes, the Barons. I can't rocket them though. Please, thank you. Oh, I easily could have got into Fireball because I nearly misclicked my buttons. I can't allow any kind of mistakes whatsoever. Alright, next area. Cool. Spearrun this shit. Okay, let's try to do the max damage roll. Oh, good. That had to be max damage roll on that guy. I know how to be a G. Good. That was indeed a good POG roll. Right, monkeys. Your turn. Now, please. Oh, I do need shots though. So you did have to be quick. Right. Up this way. Now we go to the cellar. The chain gunners. Wee. I know, because I have smarts. No, another set of. Oh, okay, this is pure racketeering again. Ooh. I am the Rocket Man. You are not. You suck so many dicks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. Come on. Little Cybie. Little cyberdemon. Cyberdemon name sounds really cool. Oh shit. That was an accident. Pew, 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 pew. Ah, fuck off. No. I don't itch in the nose. Oh man. Alright. Oh, this area. Okay. Okay, this area is pretty ridiculous. Right after shooting, I realized I did shit. I did goof. Okay, can I get health? I do need health. Oh yes, thank you, thank you. This is sort of decent. Yeah, sure. You could give me a little chain gun support. Okay. Okay, this is... No! Thank you for the berserk. I have no idea. Oh, fuck off. Okay, pinkies. Yeah, sure. What the fuck? You can walk on ledges? Dude, that is forbidden. What the fuck? I had no idea you can parkour. Holy shit. Okay, pinkies here and there. Sure. Did you hit the pinky? Oh, you did. Can't you distract or something? Oh my god. Okay. Oh man, really? Rockets is all I have left, and a chain gun. That is not a good situation to be in. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, screw you. Ooh, 28 more monsters. Probably a few last closets of cyberdemons. Yeah, been there, been there. How many secrets are there anyway? Oh, just that opens that. How can I get there? How? How? Tell me how. This way? Oh, that's the one on all the secrets. Okay, cool. Nothing there. Alright. Can I go up now? Oh, I can. Stuff? Wait, I can load the cyberdemons, right? I think it's the 28 revenants now, isn't it? Oh, I guess I'm gonna grab more health before starting the fight, because I have no idea what will be the health situation there. I surely have one more there. No, I don't. Right. Oh, right. Yeah. Oh, it's not that guy. Holy shit. Whoa, fuck! Oh, fuck. Okay. Now I know better. Great. Yeah, sure. Grab that. Serious gaming, super serious. No chopping off balls this time. good. Don't want shells. Okay, yes, I do want that. Yes. Really? Thank you. It's kind of... yeah, it's kind of better to do this way. Because then I will lure the cyberdemon to this side. Because cyberdemons love being next to me. Alright, I've just kind of speedrun this through. Let's finish the map, alright? I mean, that's a great idea, isn't it? I'm gonna get the extra shells. We'll need it. Let's do this and this. Or... no. Let me pass. Alright, get all the shots in here. Okay. Still wasting time. Really? Come on. No, now you should fall down. Oh man. Ah! I should have fired like at least 5 more shots. Okay. Rockets, shit. Okay, go. Which way, which way? Oh, we go back, of course. It's not the barren area yet. Boom. Go back to the arena. I really didn't expect the revenants to come from 2 sides. I could, however, one solution maybe 1, 2, 3. Now. Can't do the La Pistola. Ah! Oh man. I'm like so doubtful of myself for some reason. But go. Good. I just want to get this level done now. I mean the video has gone for pretty long right now. I think we're 40 minutes in. Oh dear. I think around that time frame. Alright, let's finish it. Yeah, sure. Let's take him. Now. No. No, not yet. I think what would be a smart thing to do would be leave the last cyberdemon alive. And then... oh fuck, okay. That was bad aim. Not the last yet. Okay, I need more shells actually. Okay, good. Now this area. I was stuck! survive this. This is... I'm not sure. Wait, I should have medkit. Yeah. Let's grab that at least. Just in case. No, that's not the one. This is the one. Okay. Now the cellar. Cellar. Health. Yeah. Good. Rocketeering again. Almost misclicked. That can happen. I'm so sure there's one more shot left. Okay. Now... Oh, it's that stupid area. That is ridiculous. Okay, I need to lure them here for time being. Oh, wait a sec. Okay, maybe wait a little bit more time. I have shells. I should grab armor though. Yes. Okay, good. Oh dear. Do have health and armor though. Still good. Yes. Oh fuck. No. Fuck you. Okay, I need shells now. I'm gonna use shells here. Okay. Okay, they will still keep coming in. Sure, come. Okay. Good cover. Oh shit. That was not a good idea. I had no idea. I still had Chingener left. No, Revenant must die. One more. Good. Okay. That's all my shotguns. Shells. Stuff. Howdy. Good. Now it's perfect time for extra armor. I can take the key. Why not? I don't care. I can grab some health and armor now. Should be golden. I should do real good then. 99%. Why not? Oh, beautiful. 46 rockets. Very nice. I'm really concerned about this fight. I think I need to fall back for time being. Okay, yeah. Okay. Shit. Can I fall back? Okay, no face rockets, please. Mini slaughter. That might have been a bad idea. I don't know even if I can't even get out of here. Oh, I do need health. I had so much spare health. Not here. I guess that's it. I have only 14 left to go. Oh, shells. Yes, sorry. Alright then. Okay, I got 2 more medkits. Oh, sweet. Okay, good. Practicing my starter maps. Nice. That is it. No. Fuck off. You just get away. If I would have been hit with this bad boy, I would have been screwed the fuck out of myself. Goddamn. Alright. Let's finish it. No. Oh, fuck. Oh dear. Oh dear. I want to do that. Cool. Rocket action. But I didn't do that this time. I could have been so funny if I had died to this bullshit. But hey, it was fun. Well. So this was Cyberdemon. All 100%. Everything's nice. And now the next map will be the pinnacle of Plutonia 2, I guess. The apex, let's say. And before going to the apex, let's read the text. Oh boy, congratulations, you found the super secret level. You better blaze through this one. Oh hell yeah. Yeah. It's only 206 monsters, so it's really not that hard, to be honest. Can I chop the balls off from this cyber in this level? I don't know, but I don't think so, because the last level was kind of perfect for that. We'll see. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye bye.